Today I will guide you through how to use Google VEO 3 to create AI videos for free. How to use Google VEO 3 to create AI video. First, when you launch your browser. When you launch your browser, you then search for VEO 3 DeepMind. You type VEO 3 DeepMind. Yeah, this is it. So you type. So you search on Google. The first thing that will come, you click on it. Please watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. Follow the steps so that you can create plenty videos using Google VEO 3 for your AI videos. Let's continue. So here, and it opens like this. You go to try info. You click on the try info, and you click on try info. This is what it will come. Yes. So it will tell you to create account with the flow. Create account with the flow. Remember, our motive is to use VEO 3 to create videos, AI videos. So watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. So you create account with flow. Yeah. Yes. So here it is telling you to sign in. So I'll sign it to my Google account. Yes. So I have signed in. Yeah, I don't need any. So I'll click next. Okay, here it said you like to receive. Okay, you can choose to receive. Okay. So you scroll down here. And click continue. Yes, that's open for you now. That's open for you. So here to create our images or videos. So here to create the video, you go to ChatGPT. And you type what video you want to create with the ChatGPT. So this is the video I want ChatGPT to create for me. A market woman is happy for the first time seeing snow. For the first time seeing snow in her home country. Yes. So this is what I want ChatGPT to create a video on it for me. So I'll click here. Now go. So I want to create a video. Yes. So open. Right here, you do some settings here. Here, you choose text to video because you put text and then to generate a video. So you click here. Okay, here is okay. Here you choose, or you can choose up to whatever prompt you want, but it will give you the different options. So like different types of video by the same content. So I'll choose one. I want one. Now paste it here now. Yes, it is generating. So you wait patiently for it to generate. wait patiently for it to generate. Yes, so yes, so the prompt I told it to create, it has finished. So let's see. So let's see how it is.
Oh, so
Wow.
beautiful.
Yes. So this is how.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh,
So when you finish here, you see this arrow, you click here. You see, you want the original, or so you choose the original. And click. So yeah, it has. You see, it has download. So this is how to use VEO 3 to create your videos. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.